Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Nintendo Switch clips into iMovie for quick edits. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Nintendo Switch clips into iMovie for quick edits, start by capturing your gameplay. On your Nintendo Switch, press the capture button to save your gameplay clip. Navigate to the album app on your console to view your saved clips. Select the clip you wish to download. Press the share button to access the sharing options. Choose Save to microSD card or Save to console, depending on your preference. Now, remove the microSD card from your Nintendo Switch if you saved the clip there. Insert the microSD card into your computer using a card reader. Open the File Explorer on your computer and locate the microSD card. Find your saved gameplay clip in the album folder. Select the clip and copy it to your desired location on your computer. If you saved the clip to the console, connect your Nintendo Switch to your computer using a USB cable. Launch the Nintendo Switch application for file transfer. Follow the prompts to access and copy the clips stored on your console. Once the clip is on your computer, open iMovie. Create a new project or open an existing one. Drag and drop the gameplay clip into your iMovie project timeline. You can now start editing your gameplay clip in iMovie. Use various editing tools to trim, add music, or insert text. When finished editing, export your project to save your changes. Your Nintendo Switch clip is now ready for sharing or further use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.